Today we're going to demonstrate how to cut sushi nori for nigiri purposes. For gunkan or battleship nigiri, the long strips are used for, or these short strips for wrapping nigiri like unagi nigiri, hotate, tamago. One thing to keep in mind is that we're using a half a sheet or full nori. Usually they'll come in full sheets, or you can buy them as half sheets. We're going to be using a half sheet. Now first we're going to show you how to cut the lengthwise strips for gunkan nigiri or battleship nigiri. And we're taking a half a sheet of nori and cutting this lengthwise. And we're using a paper towel underneath as a reference point, as this paper towel has lines on it. Gives us a good idea of the direct center. Cut this in half. And we'll lay one side over the other. We want to get these lined up perfectly. Cut these strips in half again. We have 4 equal strips here, ready for use for wrapping nigiri for battleship style nigiri. And now we're going to show you how to cut nori strips for wrapping nigiri. And we're taking a half sheet of nori and we're cutting it widthwise. I'm going to cut this directly in half. Lay one side over the other. I want to make sure to line them up perfectly. And cut these sections in half again. We'll repeat the process. Just overlay them again. Right now we have 4 equal sheets. And once again in half. And we have 8 equal sheets now. We're going to do this one more time. Now we have our 16 equal strips of nori. These are ready to be used to wrap nigiri.